In the same way, good deeds are obvious, and even those that are not obvious cannot remain hidden forever. First Timothy chapter 5 verses 25. Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Here is another delicious recipe for our breakfast series. We have no other than Ekwuegbeemin. In English, this is known as the GRITS cornmeal porridge. In our schools, it's also popularly known as small lettuce. I love making this porridge because it will take you not more than 20 minutes. It is very nutritious and very economical as well. So please be sure to stay tuned and let's make this together. It is so delicious. So for this, you will need your smoothly grinded hominy maize or corn. You can decide to use the yellow or the white ones. I love the white ones. You can decide to buy it from the market grinded, or you can make this at home. Whichever way it is success anyways. I went straight ahead and bought it from the market. I just wanted to show you how this looks like when you make it at home, because it's also very possible. Okay, so once you get the beautiful hominy corn maize flour, you'll then go ahead and measure the amount that you want in your porridge, having it in mind that this turns out to double in size while cooking. So you just want to reduce the amount that you're going to have, especially if you're making it for your small family. So I used about 1.5 cups of my flour, and I'm going to go ahead and soak it for about 30 minutes before I make this. It is very nice if you can soak it overnight. It makes the cooking process go a little bit faster than the one you soak it less. Okay, and also go ahead and strain off all your unwanted particles, because you will find a lot of chaff and all the unwanted, small stuff that you're going to have it in here. Okay, so if you have your strainer, please do that. You do not want everything to be ending up in your porridge. All right, so once you're done, cover it and allow this to sit for about 30 minutes. All right. So once you're done letting this sit for about 30 minutes, go ahead and strain off the excess water. Put about 1.5 liters of water on fire. Allow this to boil. This is where we're going to do the porridge. Okay, allow this to boil very well. It's like steaming hot, and then you introduce your flour at this point. While adding the flour, make sure you lower your heat just so that it does not end up being lumpy. Okay, so add all your flour at this point, and do not really let the amount of water discourage you or tell you it's going to be runny, so you add more flour to it. No, because it gets thicker while you're cooking this. So continue to stir. All that you have to do is to join the stirring association. You want to stir this continuously for the first 5 minutes. It is very important stage. Please do not let it sit. It's going to turn lumpy, or you end up having some banku instead. We don't want that. Okay, so after stirring this continuously for 5 minutes, go ahead and cover it halfway. Allow it to cook on itself for another 5 minutes, and then you come and stir again. All right, you do this over and over again. So constantly stir about 2 minutes, cover it, allow it to cook for 5 minutes, come back, stir again for about 2 minutes, cover it, allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Do this routine for about 20 minutes before you realize that your porridge is getting thicker and better. That is the only way you get the best small lettuce or the GRITS cornmeal porridge. It is so delicious and very tasty. You go ahead and add a little bit of salt to taste. At this point, I added just a half tablespoon. Stir again and allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. So while waiting for everything to get ready, I went ahead to make a quick avocado toast, because today we're not doing no eggs. We want something really quick. So I had my very nice avocados, and I'm just going to use my fork to just mash everything until it's nice and smooth, and I'll just add some onions and pepper from some cake and just add it in my bread. And once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and toast it a little bit in my frying pan with no oil, no butter. No butter, okay? Just allow everything to just marinate very well. And while toasting this in your frying pan, make sure you squeeze it very well. While squeezing it, it is just known very, very well that you're losing half of the calories of the bread. So make sure you squeeze it very well with all your strength, because you do not want any calories to be left here, okay? Just kidding. It is much more delicious once made it that way. So once my toast is ready, my porridge is also ready, I'm going to go ahead straight up and serve myself, and I'm going to just enjoy this morning. This is a porridge that you have to come back to because it's very, very healthy, very economical, and just so delicious as well. Yes, it is so good. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And as simple as that, your porridge is now ready. You want to go ahead and sweeten it with sugar or any sweetener of choice. It is advisable to use the sugar or in the sweetener at this point to avoid it from going runny. And it's always best to have some evaporated milk and or any milk of choice. It is always great to have it. And this is also best paired with some peanuts, some roasted salted peanuts. Very, very good. My sandwich here is ready. My avocado toast is just the best to pair this with. There you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not had this in a long while, this is the recipe for you. Go ahead and try it out, and I believe you're going to absolutely love it. Your mornings are going to be blessed. Of course, you can have this in the evenings as well. Why not? Thanks so much for watching once again. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and also if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.